welcome to our YouTube channel by Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in this video, we are going to learn how you can use to upload your Excel sheet to Google without opening the Google Drive. And in the last session, we have covered how you can use Power Pivot. So if you haven't watched that video, the link has been given above. You can check out the video. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. Whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. Without any delay, let's jump into the today's topic. So as you can see here, we do have this Excel sheet, right? So, and in this Excel sheet, we do have this data, and whenever we will update something in this Excel sheet, this update should be updated to the drive which we have where we have updated the sheet. So, how we can do this? So anyway, if we are going to upload this in the Google Drive, then there would be the issue for connect, right? So that bridge we are going to create with Google Drive desktop. So you can go to the Google Drive download. I have already. So this one you can go, and in this link you will be redirected to in this, and you have to download this one for your betterment. I'll give this link to you. So here, let me copy this one. Again, I'll copy this one and I'll paste here. So simply it will get pasted. Now again, if I go here and I'll paste it here. Okay, so I'll remove this one. Now I have added one more row. So here, and I want to upload this file to the Google Drive. So what I can do? So already I have downloaded the Google Drive. Simply what I have to do is I have to log in to the Google Drive. So simply let me open the desktop drive. So here it is. I'll open this one, and now it's time to connect with internet, and it is showing. Okay, now to sign in. Okay, so now I am logged in to my account. So what I want to do is I want to add one folder. So here I'm just clicking on the folder and I'm taking this drive folder. I'm selecting it and I'm clicking on the continue and I'm clicking next. Okay, I got it, and skip. Okay, so now as you can see here, now it is showing that my file has been updated here. So these two files are showing here. Okay, so as you can see, this one and this one, these two files are showing here. So now this one file has been uploaded. So I'm going to open this file here in the Google Drive. So I'll show you the live. So again, I'll go here and again we'll go to the my laptop. Okay, now it is showing my drive, and in my drive we do have these files, and these files we are going to open this one. So let's see. Okay, and this is not that file. We open this one. Okay, this is it look like this is that file. Now here let me upload something, and let me save this. So once you will write something, it's supposed to be saved, then only it's going to be reflect in your drive. So again, let me see if it's got uploaded or not. Okay, so this is the same file. Okay, now as you can see, it is showing the newer version has been updated or restored, and here it is showing byte boost, right? So whatever you will write there, it is going to be upload. So let me again just write all those things and save this Excel sheet, and we will go to this drive and let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, so now as you can see, a newer version has been uploaded or restored. So I'll dismiss it, and here you can see this byte boost has been uploaded. So if you have any doubts or any queries, you can write on the comment section as soon as possible. We will try to answer you, or you can write us on our official mail ID. Stay tuned with Byte Boost for more interesting videos. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.